Let's say it together on 1, 2, 3. Union Brewing Company. Being true to its name.
Deep in the heart of Indiana, the 27-mile Monon Trail links downtown Indianapolis to the quiet town of Sheridan. Built on a former rail line, this paved trail cuts through urban neighborhoods, art districts, and bustling city crossings, offering a unique blend of nature and city life. Eline and I began our ride at the Bottleworks Hotel, a beautifully restored Art Deco landmark in Indy's historic Coca-Cola bottling plant. With clouds overhead and light rain falling, our plan was for a 54-mile out and back journey, enjoying the sights, sounds, and tasty treats along the way, hoping Mother Nature would cooperate.
Wow. Easy walk from the hotel, wasn't it?
Yes.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Should we take this sign or that one says 00?
Do yours there and mine over there.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
So what do you think? Would you like to live like this?
I don't mind. It's quiet.
Rail Trail Hall of Fame. Did you see the Hall of Fame sign?
No!
Which way for bicycles?
Right there. Straight ahead, up here. Oh, am I going the wrong way?
Yes, you're going the wrong way. Monon Greenway. Monon police are already coming after you. Or is it the Carmel police? Carmel police is after you. Give you a ticket.
I don't know. It's Elm Street. Freddy Krueger might get me. Oh, there's a sign right there. Carmel. Want to take that? cool. Tell me the car coming out of the garage.
Unfortunately, the weather forecast for the next few hours included heavier rains with potential wind gusts up to 28 miles per hour. Eline and I opted to cut the journey short, and after taking a few pics in Carmel, returned to the Bottleworks Hotel in Indianapolis. Mother Nature's plans will always trump our plans, especially considering the fierceness of a Midwest thunderstorm. Always better to be safe than sorry.